ViewSonic VX2252MH 22-inch 2 milliseconds 75Hz 1080p gaming monitor with HDMI DVI and VGA inputs, black. Form and function, with modern design and full HD, 1920x 1080p resolution, this monitor's look as good as it performs. Game on, an arsenal of preset customizable visual modes keeps you ready for gaming and multimedia entertainment. Maximized color and contrast, mega dynamic contrast ratio delivers sharp, crisp images. Flexible connectivity, the VX2252MH supports laptops, PCs, and Macs with HDMI, DVI, and VGA inputs. Industry-leading 3-year coverage with access to our US-based customer service team. Included in the box, LCD monitor, power cable, DVI cable, VGA cable, and audio cable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.